Alright, so today I'm going to do the brakes, change the brake pads on a, what the hell year is this, a 1997 Honda Odyssey. Can't see diddly squat, but there we go, brakes. Cord. Right, so you I've done it wrong again today. They can sue me. Oh no, I was right. See, this is how it should have gone with that one, eh? It should have been so much easier, but oh no, not me. Everything's hard. Fingers.
Bit like a crocodile.
Oh yeah, a little bride shell, alright. Alright, and so there it is, it's all open. There's the brakes, going to take them out because they're a bit crap. Right, so you can see that the new brake pads are on. Nuts and bolts all done back up. Yep, you can see that. Alright, you just bleed the brakes. You undo this little nipple here and pump on the brakes till all the air comes out. Do it back up and you're done. Then goodbye.